Hello and welcome to all students. This is FYBSC semester 2nd and paper number 1 calculus 1 unit number 2 differentiability. So in this lecture we learn about successive differentiation of a given function, or in this lecture we try to find the nth derivative of a given function. So first of all we find the nth derivatives of some standard functions and then try to find nth derivative of a given function. Okay, so for that we study a Leibniz theorem also. Okay, so let us begin the study of higher order derivatives by finding the fourth order derivative of some standard functions. Okay, so there are some standard functions. Let us take first standard function. So nth order derivative of some standard functions. Okay, so let us give the heading nth ordered derivatives of some standard function. Okay, our first standard function let's take that function is y is equal to x raised to the power n. Okay, so this is function of x and we try to find its nth derivative or formula for nth derivative of this standard function. So from this we find the first order derivative y1, and the first order derivative y1 is nothing but n into x raised to the power n minus 1. This is first order derivative y1. Okay, so now we write the second order derivative, call it is y2, means derivative of first order derivative is called a second order derivative, and derivative of first order derivative is n is constant as it is, and derivative of this term is n minus 1 into x raised to the power n minus 2, second order derivative. Now let us go to find third order derivative y3. y3 is equal to derivative of second order derivative is third order derivative, so n into bracket n minus 1, and its derivative is n minus 2 into x raised to the power n minus 3. Okay, let us go to the find fourth ordered derivative. Fourth order derivative of y is nothing but derivative of third order derivative, so its derivative is, so first three terms are constant, n minus 1, n minus 2 is constant. What is n belongs to the set of real numbers, not is a number. Okay, real number. Okay, so these are the constants, and derivative of this term is n minus 3 into x raised to the power n minus 4. So if we do this thing for n times, what we get is n into bracket n minus 1 into bracket n minus 2 dot dot dot. What will happen here will be n minus 1. Okay, n minus 1 into x raised to the power, okay, into x raised to the power n minus n means 0. Okay. Okay. So n minus 1, n minus 2, dot dot dot, n minus 1, or we can write this is n minus 1 means n will get cancelled, and n minus 1, n minus 2, dot dot dot, this is 1. Okay, 2, 3. So can we write this will be n factorial? So okay, so we have a formula. If y is equal to, therefore if y is equal to x raised to the power n, then yn is equal to n factorial, nth order derivative. So this is yn, but what is ym? Okay, so let us go to the next result. Let us go to the next result. Next standard function is, second standard function is e raised to the power x. Y is equal to e raised to the power x. Okay, let us try to find its nth derivative. Y1, first order derivative is e raised to x. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. Second order derivative is derivative of first order derivative, again e raised to x. Y3 means third order derivative of second order derivative, it is again e raised to x. So dot dot dot, so nth order derivative is also e raised to the power x. Okay, so this is nth order derivative. Now let us go to find nth order derivative of next standard function, third standard function is y is equal to e raised to the power minus m into x. Okay, okay, so y1, first order derivative is minus m e raised to the power x. Second order derivative is 2mx into minus mx, sorry, e raised to the power minus mx. Y2, second order derivative is minus m into again minus m into x raised to the power minus mx, e raised to the power minus mx. Okay, now y3, third order derivative is minus m into minus m into minus m into e raised to the power minus mx. Y4, minus m minus m minus m into e raised to the power minus mx. So this is nothing but minus m raised to 4 e raised to the power minus mx. This is minus m raised to the power 3 e raised to the power minus mx. Okay, so if we do this for n times, this will be minus m raised to power n into e raised to power minus mx. So this is nth order derivative of this standard function. Okay, standard function is here and its derivative is here. Next, now let us go to the next standard function, and that standard function is fourth standard function. That function is y is equal to sine of ax plus b, sine of ax plus b. Okay, so let us go to find its first order derivative. Y1 is a into cos of ax plus b. Okay, now y2 is equal to minus a square into sine of ax plus b. Derivative of cos is minus sine, and ax plus b is the derivative a, so minus a square. So y3 is equal to minus of a cube into cos of ax plus b. Y4 is equal to a raised to 4 into sine of ax plus b. Okay, yes, so this is the fourth order derivative of this function. But we observe that, okay, so this is fourth order derivative. Let's go to the next now. Okay, now similarly, so similarly we can write many derivatives of similarly we can write derivatives up to fourth order for a given function, so Okay, so this is the end of this lecture. Thank you.